In this video, we're going to talk about solving a system of equations using subtraction. And our equations are 2x minus 2y equals negative 4, and 2x plus y equals 11. And we're going to subtract the one equation from the other. And as a result of that, as you can see, if I subtract 2x from 2x, that's going to eliminate my x terms here. So let's go to our y terms. What I have here is negative 2y minus positive y. And recall that this is the same as 1y. And here, obviously, we have negative 4 minus 11. So I just want to take a moment here because this is something you really need to consider. If I'm starting at negative 2y and what I'm doing is subtracting 1y, this addition symbol tends to throw folks off. You're not adding, you're subtracting. So it's negative 2y minus positive 1y. Really what I'm talking about is essentially this. It's negative 2 minus 1. I'm taking away a positive from a negative. And negative 2y minus positive 1y would be negative 3y. And that would be the same here, except there's not an addition symbol, right? This is the number 11, pardon me. And negative 4 minus 11, because I'm subtracting, would equal negative 15. And that would bring us to this point where we would have negative 3y equals negative 15. And we're going to solve this equation for y. We're going to divide both sides here by negative 3. And I know some of you are probably thinking you don't get this. Well, just take a little while and think it through, and you'll see that it does really make sense. A negative 15 divided by a negative 3 would be, of course, positive 5. So now I know that y equals 5. I'm going to substitute in 5 for y in my second equation. I think that will make the most sense. So let's do that. I think we have enough room right here. And so if y equals 5, let's rewrite this as 2x plus, I'm going to substitute into this equation, plus 5 equals 11. And I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. And that would mean that 2x, of course, would equal 6. And I'm just going to slide this up just a little bit so we can still see this. Perhaps I'll try writing a little smaller. 2x equals 6, dividing both sides by 2. And I'm going to write my solution here. X would equal 3. In other words, the solution set for this system of equations would be the ordered pair 5. Pardon me, that's incorrect. I solved for y first. It would be 3, 5. And that's a common mistake, and I just made it, and you want to make sure you don't. Remember, when you write your ordered pair, it's always x and then y. So x is 3, y is 5. And that is solving a system using subtraction.